I could be a crush, like feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush.
My face is so red. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're just gonna be doing some makeup. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm doing, but we'll just make it up as we go and we'll get right into it. I'm going to be recreating some of the pictures that I'll put over here. So first of all, I've put on moisturizer and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Ardell pomade in medium brown. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows and I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. I have lots of eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to be doing a full cut crease, and I haven't done one of those before. Hopefully it works out. I'm going to use this palette which is from Sports Girl, and it's the Choc Caramel palette, and I'll use the strawberry chocolate there. I'm going to zoom you closer. Okay, now I'm close. I'm going to bring the sun out. Peaches and cream. This one here. Similar to I just put that shade but a bit lower. I'm going to be using this palette. Do like a peachy into a pink and like a purple colour. I didn't really know what I was going to do, so I should have used this peachy colour before I put the other pink colours down. This pink one. Okay, now I'm going to do the purple. This looks so bad. My hair looks bad. My face looks bad. Ugh. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm kind of done with the main three colours at the top, and I'm going to cut the crease with my concealer using a flat brush, and then I'm going to put powder down as well. Oh, it's bright! Hey guys, I'm back after a very long time. I have got bad lighting. I've done like it, but it's like I had no eyeliner, and this one that I used was very dry, and I also I did it a bit wrong, but I'm just going to do my face now, the base of it. I'm going to use a foundation. Oh, the hiccups. But I will use my concealer. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. This is just the one for labeling. It's the Fit Me one, and blend it out with a brush, and then put powder on top. And I will bake underneath my eyes, but not too long. And now I'm going to contour. Oh, this one. This is just a flat one, and I'm going to use this palette. It is the Australis AC on Tour. I'm going to use a bigger brush, this one, for bronzer on my forehead, like the top of it, and also my jaw. So my hair is looking crazy. Okay, now it's blush, and I'm going to put a lot on so that it matches my eyes. Now I'm going to dust away the bake that was under my eyes with a light brush put on the banana powder shade, this little one, which lightens and brightens the under eye. Okay, so now all I have to do is do lipstick and like my lashes. So I'm going to be applying false lashes today, my waterline. I said bring the salon home, kiss, blowout lash. Wait for the lash to dry, so I don't put it on while it goes still wet. So finally is highlight. I'm going to use a stick one today. So I'm going to bring up and then I'm going to highlight my face. And then I'm going to use like a shimmer dust in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so I'm also going to put this, copy the colours in the order I'm making on the top onto the bottom, put mascara on, and spray my face with some Fix Plus, and then I'll be back to do the hearts. So I'm going to line my lips first, put the gloss on, and then do the hearts and come back. Okay, so I finished my makeup. This is my little heart. Got my hair. Ooh, this is very wild. I have these two hair clips that are pink that I think would be very cute. So I'm going to pin them in the fronts of my hair. Aww. Hello. Okay. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually really surprised by the finished look, and I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon.